Before you begin the replacement process, make sure you have a new cleaning roll. HP recommends that you wear latex gloves when you replace the Printhead cleaning roll. On the printer's front panel, touch Supplies, Printhead cleaning roll, and then Replace. Touch Start to begin the process. Open the agent door and the external cleaning roll door. Unlock the internal cleaning roll door with the safety key and then open the door. Open the printer's top cover. Detach the end of the cleaning roll from the core of the upper roll. Pull the black knob located on the upper left of the cleaning roll and turn the pinch system counterclockwise. Clean the rubber blade and the roll input with the remainder of the cleaning roll. Wind the remainder of the cleaning roll onto the lower axle. Remove the hub of the lower roll by pressing on the tab. Then remove the lower roll. Remove the hub on the upper roll. Then remove the roll core and place it on the lower axle. Replace the hub. Place the upper hub onto the new roll, and then slide it onto the upper axle until it clicks into place. Caution: make sure the cloth is aligned with the front side of the core. Pushing the roll by the cloth when placing the new roll may detach the cloth from the core, causing problems while printing. Pass the leading edge of the roll over the upper rollers. And thread the cleaning material through the rollers on the left. There is a strip of polyester film on the leading edge of the cleaning material. Insert it into the hole in the take-up core. The take-up core will pull in the cleaning material. Rotate the lower roll one full turn counterclockwise. Restore the pinch system by moving the black knob back into its original position. If you feel resistance when moving the pinch system, the cleaning roll might be too tight. Turn the roll counterclockwise to loosen the system. Close and lock the doors.